Hello and welcome to the Recap 2023 quiz. As we are done with the recap series in which we have covered different sections like the important judgments, government schemes, awards, summits, indices, science and technology, important acts of the year 2023 in brief, and seeing the love and support that you people have given to us, and we are really overwhelmed by it. We have now come up with the Recap 2023 quiz based on the recap series. So the people who have seen the recap series, you people will be very easily able to answer these MCQs. And for the people who have not seen the recap 2023 series, the link is given in the description box, so you people can go and check out the recap 2023 series. So let's begin. And before starting, on the auspicious occasion of the Republic Day, Drishti IAS is coming up with a special discount offer for you all. It is giving 20 to 50% discount on all online pen drive and test series courses, and the offer is valid from 21st of January to 25th of January. So you can go on the link which is given in the description box to avail the discount. So this is for you people. So go and check this out and subscribe to the Drishti IAS channel. So let's begin with the MCQs or the quiz. So the first question for you people is based on the major awards section. So that is, first, consider the following statements about National Awards for E-Governance 2023. So first statement is, it is presented by the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. Second, Swamitva scheme of Ministry of Panchayati Raj has been honored with this award. So these are two statements. It is asking about the correct statement. One only, two only, both one and two, neither one nor two. As you people have seen this, you must be able to know the answer or guess the answer. So is it presented by the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting? Let's see. The National Award for E-Governance 2023, it is given by Department of Administrative Reforms and Public Grievances, Government of India. So, and it is written, it is presented by the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. So first statement becomes wrong. Then the award for 2023, the recipient is Swamitva scheme of Ministry of Panchayati Raj. So second statement becomes correct. And about Swamitva scheme, then it provides ownership to property owners in village inhabited area. So the area which is village inhabited, they get this, they have got this award, and in under it they get the property owners get the property ownership by using latest drone and GIS technology. And why is it given? It is given to recognize and promote excellence in implementation of e-governance initiatives. E-governance initiatives means that the government initiatives which has been started, and through the electronic mode or through the e-governance mode, this schemes or the policies which the government has started must reach to the last people also. So the correct answer for this question becomes, first is wrong, second is right, and it is talking about the correct, it is asking about the correct answer. So the correct answer is option B, that is 2 only. Now moving on to the next question. The second question talks about, consider the following pairs. On one hand, the Padma Awards for the year 2023 is given, while on the other side it is given the field for which they have been awarded the Padma Awards. So first, Shri S.M. Krishna for Science and Engineering. Second, Shri Srinivas Vardhan for Art. Third, Miss Vani Jairam for Public Affairs. And it is asking which of the pairs are correctly matched. Only one pair, only two pair, all three pairs, or none of the pairs. So let's see this. Okay, the Padma Awards for the year 2023. So if we talk about that who give the Padma Award, so it is given by the President of India. And then the people who receive these awards, they are esteemed individuals in various fields, like for example art, public affairs, science and engineering, literature, education, and etc. So the people who have done distinguished work, excellent work in their own fields, they are awarded the Padma Awards. So if we talk about the hierarchy of awards in India, So the topmost award is the Bharat Ratna, and after it comes the Padma Awards. And if we talk about the Padma Awards, then it is Padma Vibhushan, Padma Bhushan, and then Padma Shri. So if we talk about the Padma Vibhushan, then Shri Zakir Hussain got for art, Shri S.M. Krishna for public affairs, Shri Srinivas Vardhan for science and engineering. So let's see. Shri S.M. Krishna for public affairs, Shri S.M. Krishna for science and engineering. This becomes wrong because it is for public affairs. Now, Shri Srinivas Vardhan for science and engineering, Shri Srinivas Vardhan for art. This also becomes wrong. Then Miss Vani Jairam. So Miss Vani Jairam has got the Padma Bhushan for the category of art. So let's see this. Shri Vani Jairam for public affairs. This also become wrong. So it is asking how many are correctly matched. None of them are correctly matched. So the correct answer is option D, that is none of the pairs. Now moving on to the next question. Third, it talks about International Booker Prize 2023 has been awarded to Georgy Gospodinov and Angela Rodel for which of the following Nobels? So these two people have got the International Booker Prize 2023. For which Nobel have they received it? Time Shelter, The Tin Drum, The Sound of the Mountain, or Independent People? So let's see. If we talk about the International Booker Prize for the year 2023, then it is given by the Booker Prize Foundation, and this time the recipient for the International Booker Prize is Time Shelter, and Time Shelter is by Georgy Gospodinov and it is translated by Angela Rodel. So Angela Rodel and Georgy Gospodinov have got it for Time Shelter. And if we talk about the recipient details, that is Georgy Gospodinov, then he is 55 years of age and it is one of Bulgaria's most well-known writers. And two of the most well-known works for which he is known around the world is Natural Novel and The Physics of Sorrow. So the correct answer for this question becomes option A, that is Time Shelter. Time Shelter. Moving on to the next question. So as I've given you answer of 3 questions, for this question you people will give me the answer in the comment box. So the question talks about with reference to Indira Gandhi Peace Prize 2023, and we have discussed this in the major award section of recap 2023. Consider the following statements. First, this award has been conferred every year since 1986. Second, it has been jointly awarded to Daniel Barenboim and Ali Abu Awad. Third, it is given to promote amity among the Israeli and Palestinian people. So these 3 are the statements. You have to talk about the correct statement, and the codes are only 1, only 2, all 3, or none of the above. You people will give me the answer in the comment section, and if you people have not seen on the recap 2023 major awards section, go in the description box, the link is given, and go and see the video, and then you will be very easily able to answer the question. The 5th question, and for this question also you need to give me the answer in the comment box. Consider the following statements in relation to Nobel Prize 2023. So there are 3 statements. First, the Nobel Peace Prize 2023 has been given to Nargis Mohammadi for her fight against the oppression of women in Iran. Second, the Nobel Prize in Literature 2023 has been given to Annie Ernaux. Third, the Nobel Prize in Chemistry 2023 has been given to Mongi G. Bawendi for the discovery and synthesis of quantum dots. So these are the 3 statements, and Nobel Prize in itself is very important. Can be asked in UPSC, can be asked in PCS, and can be asked in any other examination. It has been asked in the past, and there are high chances that it can be asked in any year. You have to talk about the correct statements, and the codes are only 1, only 2, or only 3 statement, or none of the statements. So give me the answer in the comment box. Write down the answer in the format question number 4 and question number 5. And if you people are not able to recognize it, then go on to the recap 2023 playlist, watch the major awards section of it, and then give me the answer, because we have discussed all the major awards that has been given in the year 2023 with regard to national and international respect. So all the links are given in the description box. So go and watch it, and with this regard, we will also be covering all the segments of the Recap 2023 series in the quiz format. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Till we meet next time, keep reading, keep writing, and keep subscribing to the Drishti IAS channel. Thank you.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.